Welcome to this year's 31 Days of Halloween series. Today I'm going to be making these sandworms. They were quite popular in the movie Beetlejuice. For this project you need your hot glue gun, fake moss, air dry clay, white and black paint, painting accessories, a small piece of foam board, scissors, and an X-Acto knife. Instead of buying clay, I used some ingredients that I had on hand and made my own air dry clay. You need 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Combine all the ingredients and stir. Bring the mixture to a boil while stirring consistently. When it starts bubbling, turn the heat down to medium and keep stirring until the mixture is thick and hard to mix. This may take about 5 to 6 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it cool in a bowl. Grab a piece of clay and work it into the shape of your worms. Place each worm on a lined baking sheet to dry. You want to make sure the area is coated with baking soda so that your worms don't stick. Bake the sandworms for 2 hours at 170 degrees. While the worms are baking, I will work on the base for the pot. Place your foam board piece on a flat surface and flip your pot upside down on top of it and trace the opening of the pot. Cut at least 1 inch into the center of the circle so that the circle you're cutting is smaller than the opening of the pot. Add hot glue to the edges of the foam circle and place it into the opening of the pot to make the base. Once the clay has cooled down, paint the worms white. You may need a few coats. When the white paint dries, you can add black bands around the worms. Once dry, glue them in place on the foam board base in your pot. Fill in the spaces with fake moss, securing it with hot glue. Make sure the moss is covering the base enough to give the illusion that they are coming out of the moss. Display in your home or office, and this is sure to be a hit. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.